And yes, this is one of our best-selling house and lot here in Las Piñas City because of its premium finish and sulit na package. Want to know why? Then continue watching this house tour video. Hi everyone, it's me again, Kiara Pepito Sabido for another Las Piñas premium home tour. And yes, it's one of our best-selling project because of its premium deliverable and yet napaka-affordable lang ng price package natin. We have available inventory in multiple areas here in Las Piñas, and lot area starts at 80 square meters up to 140 square meters depende sa final location na mapipili mo. Floor area naman is around 200 square meters kaya naman sulit na sulit talaga ang package mo dito. Here's the ground floor. What I like about this unit is separated ang ating living from the dining and kitchen area. Maganda ang pagkaka-layout at may U-shaped kitchen tayo with built-in laminated cabinet. And meron ka na ring maid's quarter outside the main unit for your privacy as well. And of course, your laundry and service area. What you see in this house tour video is the actual turnover already, including the light fixtures and ceiling accent. I really like also the layout of our kitchen with this breakfast counter. And between our dining and living area, we have a powder room for your guest use. Ito nga yung unit na literal na lilipatan mo na lang nang wala ng kahassle-hassle because everything is already in place. Ikaw na lang ang kulang. Upon reaching the second floor, we have here 3 more bedrooms including the master's bedroom with own toilet and bath. Look how spacious your master's bedroom will be with your own access sa balcony mo. And all wirings for CCTV, cable, internet, ay nakaabang na rin. So wala ka na talagang iisipin basically. And if you will observe, napaka-premium ng finish natin and all the materials used in this unit na siya talagang nagustuhan ko. And on the other side, we have 2 other bedrooms and your common toilet and bath na very spacious then of course. And our advantage to this unit comparing it to other projects, this is already a 3-story unit for a price of a 2-story unit. Not only that, napaka-flexible din ang ating down payment term considering we have units na on pre-selling stage wherein 10% lang ang required down payment payable over 12 months at 0% interest and the rest is loanable through bank financing or possible also for spot cash. Here's a 3rd floor. We have another room for your guest and of course the best part, you have a family area that is convertible also to another room. O diba ang sulit? Location-wise, panalong-panalo ka rin kasi malapit lang to sa Evia, Makati, Alabang, and Airport. Definitely flood-free and fault lane-free. So paano? Tara tripping na tayo. Huwag ka na magpahuli kasi paubos ng mga units natin. Link in bio or call or message us in our Viber, WhatsApp at IMO number. See you soon at paalam.